Welcome back to figuring out why my tea sounds like this. This time we're working with a comment that suggested that there might be a hairline crack somewhere in this mug. So we're going to test that by doing it with a different mug. So we'll make it exactly the same. 4 scoops of the old 1, 2, 3 and 4. Boiling water. Okay. Give it a stir. Stir, stir, stir. And listen up. Still going up. So, it's not the mug. Comment with what you think we should try next.